and I had the responding officer is an officer I've dealt with before in Cobb County, Officer Smith, and he he didn't want to help me. You know, he seen that was me. You could just see the look, and even hit the responding officer. I don't remember his name, but he knew I was. They weren't really out trying to help me. They went. You know, I had my neighbor confirm that these people were walking my dog and went inside this house. They seen the videos, they seen pictures, everything. They went and spoke to the people, and then Officer Smith came back and told me that I was trespassed from knocking on the people's door who stole my dog. Like, what type of mess is that? How are you gonna sit there and trespass someone who's trying to retrieve their property because I knocked on their door and you're gonna criminal trespass me? Because the funny part was that before then he had came up, because I was looking for the dog and I had the wrong apartment number. He told me, he goes, well, why don't you just go knock on the door? Well, that's what I did. And then when I knocked on the door, he criminal trespasses me after that. So that's the shadiness that you're gonna get around here. So always keep an eye on them. Always document everything.
The Cobb County school system is so completely out of hand. They're acting like a fourth branch of government that answers to no one. And in all of my recordings, I always ask the police, you know, who are the Cobb County school police? Are they regular police? Are they different? And you hear a different answer every time. Some ranked officers tell me, oh, they're the same. Others saying they're different.
Yeah, they roll up in Cobb County. The only thing that's different about them is their uniforms, really. They use the same style GoPro, same style body cams and everything. You know, with everyone here in Cobb County, I've watched out. I was at the warehouse recording. There were no signs saying it was a restricted area. The gentleman who approached me asked me if they could help me. Y'all know I usually don't talk to people when I'm filming. And they decided that they were going to call the resource officer. I was literally walking out of what they say was a restricted area, what this officer said was a restricted area, until he called me back. He called me back, and I asked for a supervisor. You know, that's what I'm saying. They're shitty up there. And they're currently holding on to some of my property. And that this officer, when he went to take me into intake, he didn't properly search me. I totally forgot I had my pepper spray on me. I ended up going to the intake and riding all the way back in his car with pepper spray on me. And then seatbelt me in too, which is, you'd think would be kind of dangerous. He didn't like me.
How do I get Deputy Sheriff's rights jacket? I want all the human resources records. Is that the form to fill out, the FOIA reform?
Yeah, for open records request?
Yeah, I want to get all of his human resource records.
Okay. You would you could fill this out, or you can actually just email openrecords@cobbsheriff.org.
Yep, I got an account with them.
Yep.
Okay, so now.
So this is your copy of your report? So I did both. It was two-sided, but I made the copy in 2 pages.
Okay.
Right? And then as far as you're going to the DA's office next?
Yes, sir.
I made a call to court security. They're going to send Major Petrie up here, and he'll explain whatever concerns they may have, but my understanding is he's going to take you over to the DA's office.
Okay. Well, we can walk over there. We can just meet him over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Your card. And is there a reference number for this?
I did not pull a case number yet, but I'll email it to you. Your email's on the complaint form.
Yeah,
I'll shoot you an email.
the cops at gmail.com.
Yeah. Once I get in our system and generate the electric.
Okay, and what was your name again?
Lieutenant Huval.
Uval?
Huval. It's on the card.
Okay, yeah, I have your card.
All right. Well, we appreciate your time, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Like I said, we're not out to try to cause problems. We're trying to just
we get
protect
it.
our rights.
We understand.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and head on over to Dave's office,
What's that?
the public lobby.
You said Major who with court security?
Major Petrie.
Petrie?
All right.
Okay,
So
thank you.
he's over court security. If like I was explaining earlier, there are some people that have never encountered this, and they've never had the opportunity to be trained on it either. So
yeah, that's one of the reasons why we do this.
Major Petrie is responsible for the deputies there, so he would be one of the ones looking into this complaint in the future.
And ignorance of the law is not a justification to break it, right?
Absolutely, I'm not.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's just saying.
It's talking about the human side. We're all human, right? Even us.
I wasn't treated like a human.
Nah, he was. It was bad. It was.
Yeah, I wasn't treated that way. No, you're right. I agree with you totally.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
About how long will that investigation take?
Before you get there, just ask for Major Petrie.
That's exactly what my plan is.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you so much, sir.
about how long will that take, do you think?
Thank you.
He probably will intercept you on the way there because it's where his office.
No, the complaint.
Finish the complaint. I won't know until I look and see how serious it is.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Okay. It smells like oil in here.
It does. Yeah. We can find a landscape. Makes it easier. You already started. So you might have to redo it.
Oh, yeah, because it's telling me to rotate it.
Yeah. Oh, a little water fountain.
Is that what that is? Oh, it's this way. No, I'm assuming that the guy in white is the. Are you Major Petrie?
I am. Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, we came up. We figured we'd make our way on down
To the DA's office.
We're on our way to the DA's office. Come on.
All right.
Thank you for doing this so we don't have any problems.
Okay.
I was going to let you go ahead and make sure I have PTSD. I don't really like people behind me.
Well, you know, my job's kind of the same thing.
I know
like
that,
people behind
I know
me.
that, but I have a camera in my hand. And I went through security.
Oh, elevators
It's
on
just a
both sides.
comfortability thing, that's all. So the sheriff department has their own SWAT team, sir?
We do.
Hey, what floor is it?
3.
3.
How long were you on the SWAT team?
8 years.
8 years, okay.
So you said PTSD. Did you serve in the military?
Yes, I did.
What did you do?
I was a combat engineer.
Army?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, my last tour I was assigned with the EOD.
Where are you stationed at?
Fort Benning. Yeah, I was there, stationed there for 6 years. I got out from it.
Go ahead.
Hello, Susan Kennard. How are you?
I'm fine. How can I help you?
You're live streaming right now. You are on video.
Thank you for telling me.
As you can see, I am not breaking the law.
Okay, I'm not going to get into that. How can I help you today?
Okay, well, before you said you were going to educate me on the law,
No, sir. How can I help you today?
well, now you know the law.
How can
I
help
can
you?
record here.
How can I help
I
you
need
today?
to report.
Really bad the last time.
I was sent here by the Attorney General's office
Okay.
because I want to report child abuse that is being covered up by the Cobb County School and the Cobb County School Administration.
Okay. And just to clarify, because I think I asked you this last time, you did report it to the police department already?
Yes, they're the ones covering